Welcome to the world of skincare. It's a land of serums, creams, and sometimes confusion. Let me share a story. Picture a teenager staring at the mirror, seeing a cluster of red, angry pimples staring back. That teenager was me. I was that young person, frustrated with acne and unsure how to tackle it. Step 1. Begin with a double cleanse. This isn't about scrubbing the skin raw, but rather gently removing the day's grime. Start with an oil cleanser to dissolve makeup and dirt. Follow it up with a pH-balanced cleansing gel foam to ensure the skin is squeaky clean but not stripped of its natural oils. Step 2. Apply a serum. This is your chance to target specific skin concerns. For those battling acne, look for ingredients like salicylic acid or niacinamide. These can help to reduce inflammation and regulate oil production. Step 3. Hydrate with a toner. It might seem counterintuitive to add moisture to oily, acne-prone skin, but hydration is key to maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Look for a toner that is hydrating but lightweight. Step 4. Lock in the moisture with a light-textured moisturizer. Avoid heavy creams as they can clog pores and exacerbate acne. Instead, opt for a gel or lotion formula. Step 5. Occasionally treat your skin to a mask. Clay masks can help to draw out impurities, while sheet masks can provide an extra boost of hydration. So to recap, your nighttime skincare routine should include a double cleanse, serum application, hydrating toner, light moisturizer, and occasional mask. Remember, skincare is not one size fits all. It's about finding products that work for your individual needs and enjoying the process. Treat your skincare routine as a form of self-care, a moment to unwind at the end of the day. It's not just about combating acne, but also about nurturing your skin and your well-being. After all, the journey to clear skin is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, be patient, and enjoy the ride.